Let's take advantage of the beautiful seasonal strawberries to make this delicious tiramisu, subtly flavored with matcha green tea. Here are the ingredients for 6 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by preparing the strawberry sauce. Cut 400 grams of strawberries into chunks. Put them in a saucepan. Add 40 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Cook them over low heat for about 13 minutes. Blend them. Filter them. Cut the ladyfingers into chunks. Dip them in the strawberry sauce. Place them at the bottom of the jars. Cut 300 grams of strawberries in two. Put them around the jar. Now prepare the cream. Separate the white and the yolk of the 3 eggs. In a mixing bowl, put 250 grams of mascarpone. Briefly mix. Then add the egg yolks, 7 grams of vanilla sugar, mix until getting a homogeneous cream. Add by sifting 1 teaspoon of green tea matcha powder. Briefly mix. In another bowl, put the egg whites, 40 grams of sugar, and 1 pinch of salt. Whisk. Stop when you can see peaks as you remove the blender. First, put half of the egg whites into the cream. Gently mix. Then add the other half. Pour this cream into a bag. Put some in each jar. Put them in the fridge for 3 hours. Just before eating the tiramisu, sprinkle them with a little matcha. They will be even prettier and more delicious. Bon appétit! Eat these desserts the same day or the next day. The taste of strawberries goes well with the flavor of the green tea. The scent of matcha with the cream becomes sweet. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.